back, y'all. Today, I'm in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets. Y'all, I'm in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets. And today's gadgets are the shears. And some of you already know that you can do a lot with these shears. And what I did with them, to not get so many crumbs, I used them to slice this toast in half. My thick brioche bread. Hold on a minute, y'all. So yeah, you can use your shears to cut your toast in half to eliminate a bunch of those crumbs that would naturally come if you sliced it with a knife. Now the only reason you see a few little crumbs down there is because I was trying to do this with one hand. If I had done it with both hands, you wouldn't have seen any crumbs. So use your shears when you want to slice that toast in. Also guys, with these kitchen shears, besides cutting the toast in half, you can also cut that crust off. So much easier than trying to do it with a knife. Maybe some people know, maybe some don't. But I'm glad to share this with you while I'm in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets. Yeah. And thanks again for watching another episode of in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets. In today's gadget, the shears, kitchen shears. Get you some, because you could also cut up your chicken, turkey wings. You find that joint and it's easier that way. You cut up a lot of stuff with these shears. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed another episode in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets.